Hi friends, my name is Chirag Phalo. I joined Akash in class 9th and 10th for preparation of foundations and class 11th and 12th for preparation of JEE Mains and Advanced. I had a great learning experience with Akash during my journey. Akash is a great place to study. Here they not only educate you but also teach you how to overcome stress and pressure which you will face in the final exam. They understand the pressure that a student takes during his preparation. So they prepare us by multiple motivational counseling sessions by faculties or as well as respected MD sir helps us boost our energy and relieve the much stress and pressure which are upon us during our preparation. It also helps us in becoming a better person by the motivational lectures which he gives.
किसी भी एक्सेप्शनल सक्सेस के लिए, सक्सेस स्टोरी के लिए गॉड का आशीर्वाद, ब्लेसिंग होना ज़रूरी है। और वो कब होती है ब्लेसिंग? जब आप दिल से, रूह से उसका धन्यवाद करते हो कि हम तेरे ग्रेटफुल हैं, तूने इंसान बना दिया और हमें स्वस्थ बना दिया बस।
The healthy competitive environment in Akash continuously motivates us to perform best of our ability. So it inculcates a competitive spirit in us, which is very important to crack the main JEE exam. Our results in various tests are reviewed and re-evaluated multiple times so that we will know and identify our mistakes regularly. This also helps in improving for the exam as we know our mistakes continuously. Regular PTMs are also conducted so that our parents know about our academic environment and academic performance so that we'll be motivated to work harder. The best thing about Akash is its highly qualified and experienced faculty. They are very supportive. My teachers have always motivated me to do better. They have always guided me in the right direction so that I can focus on what is required. They also give some in-class lectures to be motivated and not get distracted during our preparation. They explained all the concepts in a very simple way. This made my concepts crystal clear, which is very helpful in exam.
यहाँ पर एनोड ने पॉजिटिव चार्ज एक्यूमुलेट किया था और कैथोड की वजह से यहाँ नेगेटिव चार्ज एक्यूमुलेट हुआ।
The teaching methodology focused on conceptual question and application-based question, so that we'll get to know how to apply a concept when we have learnt it, which is very important for exam which is JEE-like. The classroom have a very great academic environment. We always get motivated to study here and sometimes we can also come here to self-study. This helps in preparing ourselves for the exam. And now with our friends, we'll study here together in a very focused environment. So it also helps us to prepare our concepts and remove all our doubts when we discuss them together. They also have many amenities like air conditioning, projector, CCTV cameras, which helps us to be focused and not care about different wayward things. The study material provided in Akash is also very easy to understand. You can go from a basic concept to a very higher level concept. They are illustrative so that we can understand ourselves through various diagrams and all. There is a huge number of application based questions which are quite sufficient and there is no need to purchase any other book except the NCERT textbooks which are very important. The package consists of targets and many question banks like Success Achiever, Success Magnet, Archive series and all. So these are very helpful in practicing for the main exam. They help us polish up basic concepts so that we won't get stuck in the basic questions and go for an advanced level. This has helped us very well for practicing for the exam and instilled immense confidence in me. Apart from that, there are weekly assignments like ECAP, some practice series or test material which contains some conceptual questions so that we can increase our concepts on a weekly basis regularly. Many tests like fortnightly tests, subjective tests and term tests are conducted on a regular basis. Mock tests on board exams are also conducted so they are helpful in preparing for boards as well as for JEE. All these tests are based on the latest exam pattern, so we'll familiarize with the exam in advance. And these are conducted also on a digital basis, which is now as JEE are now conducted on digital. Further, there are All India Akash Test Series AITS. These are conducted on an All India level where I can test my potential among the lakh of students. I found the questions in AITS to be more conceptual so that I can find my conceptual errors and of a slightly higher difficulty than JEE so that I can know where my difficulty level is. It also helps me analyze my performance and identify my weakness. My doubts are regularly solved by my subject teachers. Most of my doubts are solved in class itself, but frequent doubt sessions made a one-to-one interaction so that I can solve it personally. It helped me make my concepts clear and boost my preparation. These doubt sessions also introduced me to the doubts faced by other fellow students, which helps me improve my concepts to a greater extent. Coming to Akash CBT, it is one of my favorite parts during the journey with Akash as it brings the most up-to-date exam experience. So it helps me practice real exam-like scenario which greatly boosts my confidence. It also helps me improve my test taking strategy, some speed and accuracy which is very helpful in the real exam. In short, Akash has played a significant role in my success. It has catered to my every need and helped me achieve my dream. I would suggest all aspirants to join Akash for its highly qualified and well-trained faculty, regular tests, AIETS, individual doubt sessions, well-planned teaching schedules and digital experience. Apart from that, have faith in yourself and always be positive. Thank you.